Hello from Estonia. This week, Tartu Vocational College is hosting the second collaborative development workshop of AutoCoVE 2.0. We are working on an important goal, getting Europe force ready for a green future in the automotive and green tech industries. Here is what we are focusing on. Creating new learning materials about the hydrogen, electrical cars, hybrid cars, high voltage batteries and sustainability in automotive. Working closely with industry partners to make sure skills meet real-life needs. And raising environmental awareness to shape professionals who care about sustainability. AutoCoVE is more than just teaching skills. It's about helping communities, supporting Europe's green transition and leading the way in a clean tech innovation. Let's build a greener future together.